Hey everybody, my name is Andrew. I'm the head of growth here at AdKex, and I'm going to take you through our platform. So on here, this is our main screen. We have the dashboard, but we're mainly going to be focusing on the search campaigns screen here. You have your total campaigns that you've run, anything that you have running, and any campaigns you have completed. Down here, you have your campaign breakout, where you have each campaign broken out. So you have the campaign name, high-level keywords, location, shows you any of the results you have, competitors, any of the different ads. And then over here, you have your search results statuses. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and create a new search right here. And whenever you do that, you're going to bring up this modal that has 5 different tabs to it. You build out each tab, and that's what we're going to do today. You are going to notice right here this load template. We will go over that in a different video as whenever we go a little bit deeper into everything. But the fields that you need to worry about is your campaign, search name, search set, search engine, language, country, and device. The best way to think about the campaign field is the main idea for your search. So you can either create a new one, which we're going to be doing here today, where you just type it in here. Or you can select a campaign that you've already run before. So like I have home services here. If you want to create something for plumbing, HVAC, things like that, that would be a good way to do that. But what we're going to do today is we're going to create a new campaign for pools. We'll call this pools new, since I've already done one under that. I'm going to label it pool building desktop, because I know I'm going to set this up on the desktop, and pool building is going to be the main keyword that I'm going to be running. So you can also choose your search engine. I'm in America, so I'm going to choose google.com. But if you're in the UK, Germany, France, Australia, Canada, all those major ones there. We also have a large bank of different languages that you can choose from. So anything that you need to use on there. Again, America, I'm using English. I'm going to go to United States, and the device, I'm choosing desktop. Here's where we add our keywords. We're going to, like I said, we're going to do pool building, pool construction. You can continue to go on that, be a little bit granular with it if you want. And again, like I said, we can add on to this search later if you want to. The next one is locations. This is kind of important. There's 2 ways of doing it. You can enter your zip codes individually like that, and find that exact postcode here and select it there, and it comes in. You can, if you have a CSV file, we have a large CSV file with every single zip code in the US, several other different postcodes throughout the world. You can add that in here. You can do a line by line like Google likes to do in here. And as soon as you put those in, if they are valid, they will show up down here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to load this in CSV, show you our big ones. Give me just 1 second. I have a whole list of them right here. And as soon as you do that, you just hit load locations. So once they're all in here, you can just hit next. So the last screen that we're going to have any setup on is our select date screen. As you can see here, there's an add now. That means it'll run immediately. We suggest running that just to make sure that everything is working for you. And then you can just choose whichever date you want to run. So if you want to see Saturday the 7th at 1 p.m., do that, hit add date, and it comes into there. And so it won't run now. It will run on February 7th at 1 p.m. So you can come back and check that on February 7th and see the kind of results. So last window is here. You want to make sure that everything is correct. You have your pool construction, the zip codes that you want to hit, the date, the time, everything ready to go. So we're going to go ahead and click create search. And after a little bit of thinking, it's going to go in here and update. So we have 9 campaigns total. 1 is running, 8 is completed. And this is what I was saying earlier about the search status. It will show it right here. These are all the ones that I've completed. before, and this is the one that's currently running. So let's go into here, tools new, and see what's actually pull it up. So as you can see, we get results almost right away, but it does take a little bit for it to go through. So what I'm going to do, just to kind of show you the results screen, let me go into one of our old ones over here. You can see how many advertisers, ads, locations, and destinations you have based on these 7 keywords. You can also filter all of these results right up here. One of the cool things about this also is if you want to just see one keyword, the filters take you through all the tabs, so you don't have to keep filtering them out. And so the searches tab has a line-by-line breakdown of each search, and each one of those data points will have a filtered view along with it. So if I want to see everything in pool building, that's the only search name that I have right here. So it's everything. Takes you right over here to this ads with that filtered view. And speaking of the ads page itself, this ads page shows you real live ads from each of these different advertisers with live links, as you can see here. And lastly, we have our competitors tab, which is right here, which shows you the complete line by line list of all the different competitors, everything that you're going to pretty much want to know about your competitors. So that wraps it up, this quick overview. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys have any questions or anything about the platform, please feel free to reach out to me or anybody here at AdKex, and we will be happy to walk you through it. Thanks a lot.